Okay, you guys, so today I'm gonna do a painting vlog. Guys, check this out, by the way. Look at my bracelets, my charm bracelets. I got these by G by G, the store. Um, G by G Los Angeles. It's a really nice store. They have like really nice bags. Drinking water. They have really nice bags and jewelry, and I haven't shopped with them in so long, and I was like, you know what, let me get like a charm bracelet. I think I'm gonna return the necklaces because they're expensive, and I spent like WAP on it, like money on it, so it's like I think I'm gonna return the necklaces and keep the charm bracelets. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna show you guys me drawing. So today's gonna be a painting vlog. So yeah, we're just gonna have a relaxation. I said relaxation. We're gonna have like a fun day, chill, mellow day. Florida weather is like really like slow right now. It's very like rainy and like gunky outside. So I felt like, you know what? Why not like brighten up the mood and like paint? So I'm just gonna show you guys like me drawing and everything. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, so basically I just drew the picture, the portrait, and now I'm gonna paint it. So I'm gonna show you guys what it's gonna look like after it's painted. You guys, my stand just broke. Like, look, it broke, and now I'm gonna have to order another one. This is probably the second like LED stand that I had brought within like 3 years, and I'm gonna need another one. So it's just like money's been spent, like I don't know, but I'm gonna show you guys the drawing right now.
At AdventHealth, we see the resilience and uncommon compassion of the human spirit at work every day in our dedicated clinical and non-clinical team members. That's why we're ready to care for you with top-tier benefits, including career development, student loan support, paid parental leave, and much more. Answer your calling and join our team at AdventHealth. Visit answeryourcalling.com. That's answeryourcalling.com.
International music icon, T-Pain, live in concert in Miami. T-Pain's Mansion Wisconsin party. See him live at the Fillmore, Miami Beach at Jackie Gleason Theater, July 3rd. T-Pain, for one night only, with very special guests. Get tickets now at livenation.com. For more, visit tpain.com. When you find a deal on your favorite thing in the McDonald's app and order it, does that technically count as online shopping? Save money with the app. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
At participating McDonald's, prices may vary.
When you find a deal on your favorite thing in the McDonald's app and order it, does that technically count as online shopping? Save money with the app. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
At participating McDonald's, prices may vary.
Hey you guys, so I finished painting. I kind of messed it up a little bit, but I was trying to go for that dull look, like, you know, like the extra faded look. So that's why it kind of looks a little Jurassic. And I had to fix the sailboat, and I had put clouds, but I messed it up, so I turned the clouds into birds. And yeah, I mean, this is what we're looking at. I think those were supposed to be coconut, I don't know, but creativity is, I guess, supposed to look like that. So yeah.